What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. Now, y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. Let's jump right into it. This is a shoe that I have been waiting on for ever since them early pictures started coming out, man. This is the one. I love the Bred 4. When I seen they did leather, that's it. Like, that's it. They had me, man. Let's check out the packaging on this joint first, man. They went with the flip on the box. It's usually cement print on the bottom and a black box, but they flipped the box on this one. Cement on the top and then the black bottom. Red Jumpman going across the top of the box with a white flight. And the tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, fire red, cement gray, 11.5 men, 13 women, man, personal size. I was able to score these joints from retail, man. I went out to Vegas just to enjoy like the Super Bowl festivities. They had a Jordan flight path pop up. You had to go like to different stores like Hibbett, Dick's, Nike, and stuff like that. Scan the code. You get access to the Golden Vault, and I placed a clip here at the Vault, man. They had a bunch of restocks in there. But this is definitely the pair that I wanted the most outside of the DB3. Wasn't able to get that one in my size, but I did get a pair. But this is the one personal that I can say that I grabbed from Super Bowl weekend, man. But let's check these joints out. Inside on the paper, man, same Jordan 4 paper with the white and speckled print, man. Let's get to the shoes, man, what we all been waiting for. Now, here we have the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man. Still a Bred 4, all leather upper, still with the classic color block and the classic colorway, man. Let's check out these materials, man, the specs on this joint. Let's see if you rocking with them like I am. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, this joint comes laced in the all black leather going across the upper, man. Black tumble leather, black going across that toe box, black going across that toe cap, man, getting to the side of the shoe. Now, they do have the new black hang tag that they're using for this reimagined shoe in particular, man. The original one would be orange. Went with the OG kind of style, thin hang tag, but they went black on this joint. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, all leather upper, that's the major change on this shoe. Still has the black netting and the black mesh behind the netting. Black wing here with the gray lace hole on both of the lace extensions leading out the shoe, man. Nice touch. Still kept it with the super duper OG colorway. And this one is probably my favorite reimagined shoe that they like changed the material on. Out of this one, the patent bred and the suede royal, this one is the one for sure. This one is the one. Now, getting to the back of the shoe, man, Nike Air on the back of that joint. That's what we all want, that's what we all love. True reimagined, full OG style, but just with a new material, man. I'm loving it so far. Get to the inside of the shoe, man, all black leather. Some nice tumble, soft leather on these joints, man. You'll be able to get some good wears. Not as good, personally, I wouldn't say not as good as the Oreo Jordan 4 from like 2015, if I'm not mistaken. It's like my favorite all black Jordan 4 because it was leather, but now that they have a leather Bred, this one might jump the Oreo for me. I'm not sure that Oreo is super neutral, but I do love a good Bred 4, man. You can't go wrong with this joint. But black leather going all the way across the toe cap. Still has the same netting, same wings, same color as the true OG Bred 4, man. Super nice on these joints. Now, getting back to the front of the shoe, man, it does have the black netting and the black mesh behind the net on the tongue. Comes factory installed with black laces, black leather on that tongue tag, and then they also have the Jordan logo with the flight on the front. Still OG Bred 4 style, just that new leather hit, man. You can wear these joints all day, every day, and these joints are gonna last. On the inside of the tongue, it is red with the Air Jordan hit upside down, as all Jordan 4s have. Gray going across the sock line on the inside of the shoe, and it does have a red insole with the black Nike Air on the inside, man. True OG fashion, man. True OG Bred Jordan 4 fashion. And they made the smart, great decision to make these joints leather. Now, getting to that midsole, just the same as a regular OG Jordan 4 Bred, man. Has the gray, black, and white. I'm going across the midsole. It does have the white going across the back with the air bubble. And then on the outsole, man, just the same as well, man. Red, white, gray. Nike with the check going across the outsole, man. OG Bred 4. You know what you're getting as far as the color, but the material on this joint is the game changer. And this is, like I said, man, this is the best reimagined with a full material switch. This is like the best one. The White Cement 3, the Chicago one, those just had the aged effect to them, which is cool. I love both of those for sure. But these are more reimagined, in my opinion, than those are just because they really changed a significant part of the shoe, not just added a little aging, a little cracked leather or something like that, man. This one is the one, man. But y'all leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. And let's get into that right shoe and check it out as well. Now get into that right shoe, man. Just the same as the left. It does have the black going across the toe box. Has that black tongue, black netting going up the tongue, man. Black mesh behind there. Black going across the toe cap, going all the way around the side of the shoe, man. Smooth black leather. Black netting on the cage on the side, man. OG colors as far as the lace wings, man, with the black with the gray hits here. Get to the back of the shoe, man. That beautiful Nike Air on the booty of these joints, man. Super clean. On the inside, man, smooth black, well, technically tumble black leather going all the way around. Now, if you check out the shape of these joints as well, man, I just want to point out like the toe shape. We usually get like a higher, more round toe. This one is like more flat, a more smooth, sleek look on this Jordan 4, man. And they say that this is close to the OG 4 as we've gotten before. And this one and the SB 4 are as close to the OG shape on the Jordan 4 that we've ever got. So excited to put these joints on too. I can tell by this midsole that they did use like some of that SB 4 style of cushioning. I'm definitely expecting these joints to be comfortable like the SB4. Not sure if they're gonna go all the way as comfortable as those, but they definitely upgraded the comfort, and especially with the leather, it's gonna be a good shoe to wear for sure, man. Now the top of the tongue is the same, man. Black tongue, red Jordan sign, white flight, man. Super clean, same inside with the red on the back of the tongue, gray on the interior. And then with the red insole, man, black Nike on the inside. Super clean shoe, man. Super happy to have these joints, man. Super happy to have them. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints for retail from All-Star Weekend. I think retail is $215 on these joints, man. They keep adding $5 here, $5 there, man. The retail on these shoes is getting crazy. We at $215 now on this Reimagined Bred Jordan 4. They were like $235-ish out the door when I was out in Vegas, man, retail and tax. And pretty high on the retail side, I'm not gonna lie. But as far as resale, man, you can grab these joints for like $300 and under pretty much across all sizes. The big sizes, like 10.5 through like 14, those are $280 to $300. The smaller sizes are like $260 to $275. So definitely fairly reasonable, bro. These joints released this Saturday. I can expect that price will like shoot up after sneakers L's and people not getting their pairs immediately. A couple of panic buys are gonna happen. This price is gonna go up, but I think this 280 range will be where they kind of settle at. 260 to 280 will pretty much be where they will settle at. With that being said, there still won't be an easy cop because it is a Bred 4. It's a leather Bred 4. It's gonna be an easy wear. People are gonna be buying these joints up just to hold, just to resell. And with it being such an iconic shoe, even though it's not OG form with the suede, people are gonna want to buy this joint. A lot of people are gonna wear them. Resellers are gonna go after them. A lot of stores are gonna want these and things like that, man. So if you can get a pair for retail, I say grab them now because they will move quick. And we may get a restock here and there, but you know how restocks go. So I say do your footwork, man. Get out, try to grab a pair, go to your first come, first serve spots, and try to lock in your personal. If that's what you're doing, if you're a reseller, lock in the pairs that you're gonna get, bro. Just go ahead and grab them. It's gonna be a good shoe. It may not go for crazy amounts over retail, but I know this one won't flop. It won't be under retail. They did do a lot of pairs, allegedly 500K plus pairs, but it's a good shoe, man. You can't go wrong with these joints. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, I've been seeing some pretty decent pairs. I haven't seen any crazy flaws. I mean, it is a Jordan brand Nike shoe, so you will get like a couple of glue marks where they bond the upper to the midsole, but I haven't seen any like crazy flaws. No misplaced stitch, no upside down Jordan signs on the tongue, no crazy creasing, no warped toe box or anything like that. Pretty decent leather, definitely a super soft material on the leather, man. Some pretty decent grade of leather, but I haven't seen anything crazy as far as flaws, man. No stitching errors or anything like that. Every shoe that I've seen so far has been pretty good as far as quality control. The quality is there, man. This is a good one, bro. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you plan on grabbing these joints. Now, also just want to hit y'all with a quick comparison just so you guys can see the difference between the 2019 Bred 4. This one is the nubuck suede looking joints, man. This one is the leather. Now, first things first, you can see that toe box, man. This one is more like a squared off, steep toe box, and this one has like that slanted feel to it, man. So you definitely gonna get like a different shape when you're looking at these joints as far as like Jordan 4s and Bred 4s goes. This one is closer to like the SB, and this is basically what we've been getting. Anything before that, all of your militaries and everything before the SB4 is what we got here. But this one comes in a newer OG shape, and it looks really good, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks really good. With it being leather and having a new shape, it's looking like it won't crease as bad. Like when you wear your Jordan 4s with the sensitive materials, especially with it being leather, I think it's gonna hold up pretty well, man. I've only worn these once a couple of times. You can kind of see like the creasing that just happens on the inside of that Jordan 4 shoe. But other than that, man, great shoe either way. Happy to have these joints, man. But with it being a nubuck shoe, man, I just be kind of timid to wear them. I don't want them to mess up. I don't want them to get ashy like that Jordan brand nubuck does. With these, man, these are unlimited wears, man. I was only planning on getting one of these joints, but now that I got them in hand, I've really been looking at them, and the more I look at them, the more I see them, I think I'm gonna go ahead and double up. I really didn't want to because I just bought a DS pair of Oreo 4s not too long ago, and then I thought I didn't need two of these, but man, this is such a good shoe that I might have to go ahead and double up on this leather pair, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you like better. Do you like the OG with the nubuck? This is the debate that's been going on all month, all year. People been waiting for these. Would you rather have the nubuck joints closer to the OG in style? Would you rather have the reimagined leather joints that are closer to the OG in shape and other aspects of the shoe, man? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you're rocking. Will you like the OG style or you like the reimagined leather pair, man? I'm personally going to reimagine on these, man, but you can't go wrong. Both shoes are a hit regardless, man. Definitely both shoes are a hit. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your honest opinion about these, man. I really want to hear how you guys are feeling. Would you rather have this one? Would you rather have a nubuck pair, man? Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping, man? Leave me your honest opinion down below, man. I really want to hear. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, new shape, new material, man. Let me know how you feeling about these joints. Peace.